English Kannada. May I equals.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to get polite and hilarious in Kannada? Let's open doors with words. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and fun challenges. Today we master may I, using the key Kannada phrase.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
Deep breath, smile, and let's go. Your goal today. You'll ask for permission clearly, kindly, and confidently. By the end, you can say may I sit here, may I open the window, and may I ask a question using.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
Formula.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
Plus action. Bonus politeness. Add.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
Pronunciation hack. Let's make the rhythm stick in seconds. Say it once smoothly.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
3-beat chant.
ನಾನು
Beat, beat,
ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
beat. Tip. Soften your tone on the in.
ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
To sound extra polite. Mini dialogues. Jump into quick scenes and speak along. On the bus, you point to a seat. You.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು.
Stranger. Sure. In class, you whisper. You.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ? ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಲು.
Teacher. Go ahead. At the office, it's warm. You.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ? ಕಿಟಕಿಯನ್ನು ತೆರೆಯಲು.
Colleague. Please do. Quick drills. Repeat after me, I'll cue, you nail it. Repeat. May I sit here?
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು.
Repeat. May I open the window?
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ? ಕಿಟಕಿಯನ್ನು ತೆರೆಯಲು.
Repeat. May I ask a question?
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ? ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಲು.
Extra polite add-on.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
Say the full line with it now. Culture and humor. Stay kind, stay curious, and smile. In Karnataka, permission.
ಅನುಮತಿ.
And politeness.
ವಿನಯ.
Go a long way, soft tone beats loud volume. Add.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
For gentle warmth. Comedy break. A robot freezes until it hears.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
Then it beeps happily and opens the door. Bonus curiosity. The opposite idea sounds like.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಾರದೆ?
Use carefully. Quiz time. You've got this. Answer out loud. Q1. Which Kannada phrase politely means may I? A.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
Q2. True or false? This phrase asks for permission, not ability. A. True. Q3. Fill it. May I sit here? Say the base phrase, then add the action. A.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು.
Challenge and outro. One last mini mission for you. Challenge. Build 3 polite requests right now using.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇ?
With these actions.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು. ಕಿಟಕಿಯನ್ನು ತೆರೆಯಲು. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಲು.
Say them with.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
And a smile. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing daily, and for more lessons, transcripts, and games, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Synapse Lingo is cheering for you. See you next time.